Students, it is sequence and series part 8. In part 7, we discuss some problems using the geometric progressions. In this video, you are solving some other problems using geometric progressions. The examples: GP, the sum of the first three terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of the next three terms is 128. Then determine its common ratio. Determine its common ratio. Sometimes asked, and also sum to n terms. The formula. This one is actually 3-mark questions asked any once. The sum of the first three terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of the next three terms of a GP is given that 128. Then find the common ratio and also find the sum to n terms of a GP. Here given that the sum of the first three terms of a GP, here given that S3, it means A plus AR plus AR square. The sum of the first three terms, A is the first term, R is common ratio, is given that 16. You say that this one is the first. And sum of the next three terms, it means S6 minus S3 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ up to x6 next three terms ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ARQ plus A into R raised to 4 plus A into R raised to 5, its value is 128. Please say that the second equations. Here using these two equations find the common ratio. Very simple questions. Suppose here finding the sum to n terms means here find the first term is also. Once here find the common ratio, easily you get the first term of a GP. AR square is equal to 16. It means that is the equation 1, A common terms are tagondre, you get 1 plus R square is equal to 16. This one is the first equations. And here AR cube one common terms are tagondre, taking AR cube is common terms, you get 1 plus R square is equal to 128. That one is the second equation. Suppose here dividing second by first or substitute the value of these values. Anyway, from 1 and 2, you ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು from result 1 and result 2. Here you know that R cube into the first equation say that A into 1 plus R square is 16. 16 is equal to 128. Therefore, R cube is equal to 128 divided by 16. It's clear? 128 divided by 16. Simplify, you get the value of R. What is the value of R cube? Its value 16 1, 16 8. It's clear? 8 can be written as 2 cube. Therefore, the common ratio, it means R is equal to 2. Index base equal ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ index equal ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ base equal ಇರಬೇಕು, base equal ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ index equal ಇರಬೇಕು. This one is the common ratio. Find the common ratio. Just you find the value of R. And also here find the sum to n terms of a GP. Therefore, first finding A. Suppose here put the value of R is equal to 2 in equations 1 or 2. R is equal to 2 means A into, here you know that 1 plus 2 square means 4 is equal to 16. Yes, 1 plus 2 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to 16. Therefore, it implies 7 times A is equal to 16, or you say that A is equal to 16 divided by 7. Right? Or here also. Suppose here put the value of R. R is equal to ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A is equal to 116 divided by 7. Therefore, Sn. What is the formula? Just remember. The formula here R is greater than 1. No? A into R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Its value is A means 16 divided by 7. What is the value of R? 2. 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. This one is the sum to first n terms of a GP. The sum to n terms. It's clear? The next example. Find the sum of the product corresponding series. Sum of the product of the terms of the sequence. Terms of the sequence. 2, 4, 8, 62 and the second 128, third 8 to half. Sometimes asked for 3 marks these questions. Find the sum of the product of the corresponding terms of the sequence. First sequence 2, 4, 8. First term, second term, third terms, fourth terms, fifth terms. And the second sequence, first term, second terms, third terms, fourth terms and fifth terms. Here find the sum of the product of the corresponding sequence. Let us assume that this one is the first sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. First sequence and 128, 32, 8, 2, half. Second sequence. Therefore, sum of the product of the corresponding terms 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into half is equal to 32 into half is equal to. You know that this one is R in GP. The first term is GP. The second sequence is GP. The product, the sum of the corresponding terms is always in GP. Here you know that 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 multiply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 256 plus 128 plus 64 ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 256 comma plus here just you can remember 64 sorry 128 64 32 and 16. These are in GP. A is equal to 256 or 16. R is equal to any terms divided by its previous terms. ಯಾವುದೇ terms divided by previous terms ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ half ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ this value is 16a and 2 is the common ratio. We are finding the n is equal to, what is the n? N is equal to 5. Therefore, S is equal to the sum of the series. You say that this value is S. What is the value of S? Here you know that A into R raised to R 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. A n raised to 256. 1 minus R means 1 by 2 to the power n. N means 5. divided by 1 minus. Yes, simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 256. 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 5 means 1 by 64 divided by half. 256 into 2. 1 minus means its value is 63 divided by 64. Simplify, you get the results. 21 to 32. That's clear. Next. 32 into 64, 128, 32 1, 32 into 6. It's clear. 32 into 6, 32 into 8, 2 into 8, 56, 16, 25, right, 8. The next 8 into 63, 8 into 3, 24, 8 into 6, 48, and 50. It's clear. This one is the sum of the product of the corresponding sequence. ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನು sum ಮಾಡಿ product ಮಾಡಿ. See, calculator use ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, but here using the geometric progressions. 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into half. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 504 result ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Here using the geometric progressions. The next example. In compact form is given, evaluate summation of 2 plus 3 raised to k take to n, and also find the sum of 11 terms. Sum of 11 terms. 5 mark questions or 4 mark questions. The solutions. This one is given that evaluate the sum of these terms. Here k taken from 1 to n means the sum of the n terms. Here let us assume that Sn is the sum of the nth term of the sequence. Summation notations, it means compact form nalli ide. Here k taken from 1 to n ant helidre, it means the first terms put n equal to 1, 2 plus 3. Put n k equal to 2, 2 plus 3 square plus k equal to 3, k is equal to 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 2 plus 3 cube continue up to n terms. This one is expanding in compact forms. Compact form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, notations form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Summation means add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ all terms 2 plus 3 raised to k. K equal to 1 first term, put k equal to 2 second terms, put k equal to 3 third terms, put k equal to 4 fourth terms. It means put the k equal to n ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ nth terms 2 plus 3 raised to n ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Continue like this. What is the nth terms? 2 plus 3 raised to n. This is the last term. Sum of n terms of the sequence. Here ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು separate ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. First identify ಇಲ್ಲಿ each terms containing 2 terms. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 square, 2 plus 3 cube. Last term is also 2 plus 3 raised to n. In each terms you get 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times? N times. You are adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus how many times? N times. Plus second terms in each terms. First terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 3 raised to n. It means the given sequence or series is the sum of the two series. Sum of the two series ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus up to n times 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 3 raised to n. Here remember 2, 2, 2, these are in GP, A is equal to 2, R is equal to 1. The first series. In first series, alva igo first series. Second one, 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 raised to n. This also in GP. Here A is equal to 3. What is the value of R? Any terms divided by its previous terms ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First identify the types of series. This one is GP ಅಥವಾ AP ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Here using GP, this one is GP. Sum of n terms in GP, here A is 2 and R is 1. Here this one is also is GP, A is equal to 3 and the common ratio is 3. Therefore, Sn is equal to, the first terms here you know that the sum of n terms in GP, R is equal to 1 means A into n anta baritivi. Remember, what is A? A andre 2, 2 into n. The sum of the first n terms of a first series. The second series, A means 3 into R is greater than 1, 3 raised to 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Just remember, Sn is A into n, R is equal to 1. A into R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, R is greater than 1. Yeah, just recall, ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. The sum of n terms, R is equal to 1, A n. R is greater than 1, R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2n plus 3 divided by 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1 is the sum of n terms of this series. It is clear. The sum of or the value of this Sn means you can say that this value is equal to 2 raised to n plus 3 by 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1. And here finding the sum to n terms, yes, 11 is equal to. Therefore, here write direct agrigodu. Particular value ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ you get the particular results. N equal to 11, 2 into 11, 22. Plus 3 by 2 into n equal to 11 means 3 raised to n minus 1. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, put as it is. 3 raised to 11 calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 multiply into 3 divided by 2, adding these two you get the sum of first 11 terms using the simple calculators. The similar type problems asked usually 4 mark questions. And the sum to n terms of the series. Find the sum to n terms of the series. Now series ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Yeah, given 4-5 problems. I give the one example. Suppose 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 up to n terms. It's clear? It's the very simple problems. Here you know that suppose the solutions. First take the given series, sum of n terms is equal to Sn. You take Sn is 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 up to n terms. N terms means n times 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to n times. This series is neither AP nor GP. AP no alla, GP no alla. The common difference between second and first term is 10. Third andre 100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is not in AP. Common ratio, any terms divided by its previous terms, 11 by 1, 11. 111 divided by 11, it is not equal to 11. Therefore, is neither AP nor GP. Therefore, just using the some tricks, make this series convert into either AP or GP. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Suppose here multiply and divided by 9 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 9 into 9 times into ಇದನ್ನ 9 ಅನ್ನ inside multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 plus 99 plus 999 9 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 999999 up to n terms. Just here multiply 9 and balance ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ divided by 9. ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 continue, you get up to n terms. Then here rewrite this value is 1 by 9 into 9 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು 10 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 99 ಅನ್ನ 100 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 999 ಅನ್ನ 1000 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9999 10,000 minus 1 ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಪ್ ಟು n terms. n terms ಅನ್ನು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Rewrite like this forms. Then here separate this values. First term 10, taking 100. There are two types of series. 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 up to n terms. This is first type. So minus common terms are 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n times. This one is the sum of the two series. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, these are in GP. Just remember. Any terms divided by its previous terms, you get the common ratio 10 is same. And 1, 1, 1, these are also in GP. Here A equal to 1 and R is equal to 1. The similar type problems. Here you know that. Just for yourself. Here you know that. This value is 1, 1, 1. These are in GP. A equal to 1, R equal to 1. The second series. So, and the first terms 10, 100 under 10 square, 1000 under 10 cube. These are in GP. A is equal to 10 and R is equal to 10. Therefore, Sn is equal to, you know the formula. What is the value of Sn? 1 divided by 9 into bracket. The first series A is 10. 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. This is the first series. It is clear using this formula. Minus A is 1, R is 1 andre n. Its value is 1 by 9 into, or you can write 9 into 9, 9 square. 9 square andre 81 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. 10 into or 10 by 9 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus n ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. 1 divided by 81. Right? The similar type questions is asked usually. 7 plus 77 plus 777 continue up to n terms of the given sequence series. Here also Sn means the given 7, 77, 777 up to n terms. Here first steps, both the steps are same. First steps here taking 7 is common terms. 7 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು common terms ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to n terms ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1111. Next multiply and divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 divided by 9. Multiply and divided by 9 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 by 9. 9 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 plus 99 plus 999, 9999 up to n terms. It is clear? The remaining steps are same. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 70 ಇದು 7 into ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. 70 10 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ by 81 into 10 to the power 9 minus 1 minus, or you can taking 7 by 9 ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಅಥವಾ 81 ಅನ್ನು ಹೌದು, ಅಥವಾ 70 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 81n divided by 81. This one is the sum to n terms of or put as it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 8 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 8 divided by 9. Clear? Next problem. The similar type problems. Here and the similar way. Suppose here given that 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555 up to n terms. Find the sum of the series. Here also Sn is the given sequence or given series. The sum of the nth term of the series 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555 up to n terms. It is clear? 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555 up to n terms. Here also the same method, Sn is equal to, suppose here taking 5 is common terms. First you can take the 5 common terms means 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 up to n terms. Is clear? Next multiply and divided by 9. 9 in the multiply and divide madidre 5 divided by 9 into the same method 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 up to n terms. Iದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 0.9 ಇದೆ, ನಾಟ್ 9. 9 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 10 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Here 0.99 can be written as 1 minus 0.1. It is clear. Plus 0.99 can be written as 1 minus 0.01. Plus 0.999 can be written as 1 minus 0.001 up to n terms. Right? Its value is 5 divided by 9 into rewrite ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus first series, so 1 up to n terms. Minus ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ second series ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 up to n terms. Here also two series. The first series 111. This one is the first series. A equal to 1, R is equal to. Here 0.1, it means 5 divided by 9 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms minus 0.1 means 1 by 10, 1 by 10 square, 1 by 10 cube up to n terms, or 1 divided by 10 raised to n. It's right. It means 1 by 10, 1 by 10 square, 1 by 10 cube, or in GP, A is equal to 1 by 10, R is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, here Sn is equal to, the first one is 5 divided by 9 into 1 is adding n times means n. Here minus, here you know that 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r is less than 1. Here you write A andre 1 divided by 10 no, 1 minus 1 by 10 raised to n no, divided by 1 minus 1 by 10 using this formula. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 divided by 9 into n minus 1 by 10. Here also 1 minus 1 by 10 means 9 divided by 10. 9 divided by 10. Its value is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10, no? 9 divided by 10. It means 1 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 raised to n. This one is the sum of n terms in 0.55 like this. Suppose 8 idre illi 8 anta barutte, 9 idre 1 anta barutte, 10 like this form. These are very simple problems using GP. Next class we will discuss the relations between arithmetic and geometric progressions. Some problems, solving some problems in geometric. Thank you.